Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. You want to get those high-paying tech jobs, don't you? Well, first of all, you know you can do it. Look at this. Data scientist, $150,000 plus. Blockchain engineer, $150,000 plus. Product manager, $110,000 plus. Big data engineer, $140,000. Software architect, $120,000. Solutions architect, $130,000 plus. These are some of the highest paying tech jobs in the United States. These salaries can range higher or lower, of course, depending on your career path and the company you're with. These stats are from simplylearn.com. I think being aware of your salary range in your industry is so important. So I just wanted to share that stuff with you. Check out the link below and start your new life. Don't forget to check out clarusway.com. Get to where you want to be fast. Reinvent yourself with Clarusway.